Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring N8n is running and you have Google API credentials ready. This is why we don't waste time later. Once done, open the Google Cloud Console, create an OAuth client, download the JSON, and note the client ID and secret. Next, in Google Sheets, set a clear header row and share the sheet with the service account or the OAuth email so N8n can read and write. Make sure scopes include spreadsheet access before moving on. Now you add a Google Sheets node to your workflow and pick the operation you need, append, read, or update, because the node behavior changes with that choice. Then create new credentials inside N8n. Paste the OAuth client ID and secret, click Authenticate, and complete the Google consent steps so N8n gets a token. Once authorized, pick your spreadsheet and worksheet and map the sheet columns to the node fields. This mapping ensures data flows. To finish, run the workflow in test mode and watch the node output. Verify rows in Google Sheets to confirm the operation worked because this validates both auth and mapping. Once validated, add simple error handling, an if node or retry logic, to handle transient API rate limits or temporary failures. If you hit a 401 error or missing data, re-authenticate the credentials in N8n and ensure the OAuth scopes include spreadsheet access. This common fix resolves most connection failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.